The Pyramid of Giza was built 4500 years ago in Egypt, yet it remained as the tallest man-made building until the 19th century. The stones that weigh more than the elephants. It was a time when no advanced machinery, when there was no cranes or forklifts. It was during this time when the Egyptians erected these pyramids with stones that weigh about 5 to 10 tons per piece. It is a huge number. Fact number 3. Ancient air conditioning. Another interesting fact about these extraordinary structures is that despite the harsh fluctuating temperature of day and night, the Great Pyramids maintain a constant inside temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. Fact number 4. How was this so accurate 4500 years ago? The Egyptians used two constellations to align their pyramids in a north-south direction. One was Big Dipper and the other is the Small Dipper. The tombs are aligned in north-south with an accuracy of up to 0.05 degrees. This happened in an era where modern-day precision tools were not even imaginable. Alignment with the Orion. The three pyramids of Giza are aligned exactly to be in line with the three stars of Orion Belt. While creating a faithful mimicry of the Orion Belt, the three pyramids of Giza actually point directly towards Orion's belt. The location theory. In 1877, Dr. Joseph Seuss found an interesting discovery. He showed that the Pyramid of Giza is located exactly at the intersection of the longest line of longitude and the longest line of latitude